What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Jules and this is my 2011 Honda Civic Si. So recently, a lot of you guys have been hitting me up at the beginning of this year asking me where has the videos been. As you guys see today, the weather's finally breaking and springtime is here and the weather is finally getting better. It's really kind of hard to work on the car when it's extremely cold outside and when it's raining outside as well. So around I believe daylight savings, the weather finally got a lot better, so I'm really happy about that, so I can share with you guys what's coming for the Honda Civic Si. So the reason I'm making this transformation video is because I am almost done with everything that I want to do to this car. I am pretty satisfied and happy that I was able to accomplish my goal with this car. So we are going to start from when I started making videos on YouTube when the car was stock, to all the parts that I had and the vision behind it, to the end result on how the car looks right now, which is amazing. So let's go. What we went with was airlift performance, 3H management system, just 10 compressors, and then these are SPC performance camber arms, the rear fog light for the Mugen rear, and red H JDM emblems, and then this is Honda Factory Performance lip. This one here is carbon fiber S204 front lip, and then these are, so we already talked about this, the front lip. This is the rear lip, and it's Mugen. These are from Japan. You can barely see it, but it's made in Japan. And, so we have that Mugen rear lip. This is the wing, the rear lip, Mugen wing. And then this is the roof spoilers for the car. And then these are the side skirts. the stock shift knob. There's a nut back here, underneath here, that you have to unscrew. I have a 14 metric wrench. So you go clockwise and it goes down. The nut will go down when you go clockwise, and then you spin the shift knob counter clockwise to get it off. Stock shift knob. And now we're going to install the new shift knob, the Mugen carbon fiber shift knob. So what you'll want to do is have it centered first, and start from right there centered, and spin it on. So like right about here. And then what you would do is hold the shift knob to where you want to place it, and then stick the wrench underneath here, and then tighten it up. Make sure there's no play. Definitely feels way better than the stock one. It feels like a more grip to it. So this is the back dome lights, the two front, and I'll also be changing the trunk light. To take this cover off, there is like a little thing you stick in here. You gotta use a flathead. It fits right between here, and then it should pop right off, and that's it. And that's the bulb and everything. You gotta take this bulb out, and then you pull it from the sides, and then the bulb comes right out. This is how the bulb looks. And then to the LED strip. The red toward the window, and the black on the other side. Just like that. And then if we unlock the door, it should light up. It should be like that. It's pretty bright. Damn. So you slide the new one in. Right back in, and that should be it. These are the two bolts that was holding the back of the cover. Put those aside, and it comes right out. And press it. Okay. So red to green, brown to red, and black to black, and it flashes. that we're not going to use. We got spacers. And it gives us extra clips too. This is the manufacturing performance front look. This off, the back side off, and then the same thing on the other side. Cut this off, and cut this one off. The little dimples in there, match up perfectly. That looks really good. Definitely love this look. I hope you guys really enjoyed the transformation video. I had a good time editing the video and seeing from when I started picking up the camera and seeing how much I've learned and grow as a person, to seeing how the build of the car and what vision I had, to seeing the end result. And wow, I can't believe how far the car has came. This car has really come a long way, and I've met a lot of people, and I'm glad I'm able to inspire a lot of people and give back some way or another. So I want to say thank you guys for always showing love and support. If you're new to the channel and you like this video, definitely smash the like button, and also definitely subscribe to the channel, because there's going to be more stuff on the way for my car still, and there's still going to be more stuff for the GT350, so definitely stay tuned. Also guys, I know I talked about there's only a few more things that I want to do to SI, and of course guys, I will still be boosting the SI, so definitely stay tuned for that. But guys, as you guys seen in the video, if there's anything that you guys want to achieve, find your inner drive that drives you to take a step toward your goals every single day and make it happen. Peace.